What's up, traders? I hope you're all doing well. First of all, if you haven't followed me on Instagram and on Telegram, please do so, because whenever I upload a video, I send a notification on my Telegram and on my Instagram as well. Also, guys, just to note that I upload live analysis. I don't upload previous data, so make sure you have followed me there, because when I upload a video, I notify you guys over there like that. You won't miss an entry, or you won't miss an analysis, because sometimes YouTube take a bit longer to send you guys a notification. So let's start with natural gas. If you remember in my last natural gas analysis, I've said that we need one more touch to this level to declare this level as a level of significance, or a level of major level of resistance. So now we have all three touches between this level, and now we'll be looking for another short entry. Then you can take trades up to this level, which is 6.041. And if it's still bullish, if you still get a bullish momentum, you can take trade up to 6.188, from where we'll be looking for short entries, either an aggressive entry as in golfer, or you take a double bottom double top entry towards the next level of support. So according to me, we have a short entry condition here, and we have this big engulfer candle. If this candle closes here, let's say after, right now it's this is 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. candle 3. So 8 p.m. UK time, when this candle will close, then you can take a short entry from this candle. Roughly, I'll tell you guys, because this candle is still not closed yet, but roughly I'll tell you guys, I'll see the market to hit this 50 EMA level, which is 5.606, and stop loss accordingly I'll set 6.143. So that's the case when this candle when this candle is bigger than the previous candle. If this candle ends up moving up, then this condition is invalid. Then we might be looking for another touch here, and then another candle here to take another short entry. But right now, this is for me a short condition, and we'll be looking our first stop towards 5.683, second stop towards 5.608. So that's my analysis. And if this candle moves up, then we'll be looking for another analysis, where I'll be uploading another analysis, and I'll let you know, guys. So that's all for now for natural gas. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, or leave a message on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Till then, take care.